Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is vlog 107, 21st November 2022, 6:43 p.m. and today, with utmost pleasure, I am announcing that today was in a long time an ideal day, and let me define what an ideal day means. It's gonna be varying according to how receptive you are to definitions of ideal day, but let's just start. Woke up at 5:30. That itself gives you a clue that okay, there's a celebration emoji right there. Woke up at 5:30, took snowy down, oatmeal done. Just watched an awesome video by Katie Sketch where she explains the basics of using grease pencil for 2D animation. I really feel there is no need for any course right now. Spoiler is ahead. Also, there aren't any that would exactly suit me. All I need to do now is try really hard and get drawing in grease pencil. Start small, maybe 20 minutes or so in the day and progress over time. So this is my depressing soul writing this. Then 8:40 looking to finish 10 episodes of show 3 before taking the nap. By 9:39, that's 1 hour later, show 3 made 5 episodes, submitted 5 episodes. Things are working out. So for the first time I submitted those episodes and I did not see an error, like it went through to the portal. 12:18 resuming, lot of next 5. 15:46 great progress, completed up to 30 episodes of show 3. Now I just need to check these episodes once, do a bit of cleanup and upload to the portal. Okay, so this is 3:46 p.m. Now this could not have come at a more apt time. Let's go CG boost. So I opened my YouTube feed. Is that way? Yeah, and this is what I see, the very first video here. Grease pencil course, master grease pencil in Blender. Can you believe it? This is exactly I written at the top, that there's no course. There was one course on CG Cookie. This is called Panels, on making comics using grease pencil, and it was like as expensive as this course, but CG Boost, man, this is all I needed. Just make a grease pencil course and here we are. I'm just gonna buy this course. Because I have decided to definitively spend all of my income on courses and books and education, because why not? That's what I am earning it for. I haven't yet, because things are yet to be done now. Today is definitely turning out to be the ideal day. 16:39 uploaded 30 episodes of show 3 without any queries. There were some issues, but I resolved them individually. Now aiming to get to 20 more high ambitions, right? Ideal day. So by 18:30 I uploaded up to 35, so 5 more and then uploaded them. Now I have one small full-time job video to give, like a small gif, a spinning machine stop somewhere. All this while, when I was making these 35 episodes and uploading them, I was listening to Maskeen ji's katha. I listened to one entire video which was an hour or so long, and the second one I have gotten to like 37 minutes, this one. So Apna Kaun Hai, I think he's talking a lot about the divisions of humans. So there is Jigyasu who has like a little bit of inquiry about life. Then there is Sadhu, who is not just serious but actually started walking on the path, like doing the sadhana. Then there is Sant, who's already reached the goal of God realization. But below the Jigyasu, who hasn't even got the curiosity to know what all of this is or why any of this is the materialist or sansari. I would definitely put myself in the Jigyasu category. I wouldn't consider myself a sadhu, though I would love to be one. Like, I'm not doing part, I'm not getting up at Amrit Vela and doing the things that they say. Like, my sadhana is pretty much off, even though I do listen to the kathas and contemplate a lot every now and then, but it's not consistent and it's not like a proper pattern. So I'm still in the Jigyasu category. Just listening to the katha is just so blissful. I absolutely enjoy. And the first one that I heard was this one, Maskeen ji Beshkimti Vichar. He basically talks about karma, right? The basic question that we tackle here is, what is that action I should do which will impress God or which will take me to God? Because you spend your entire life doing actions, as I am doing all my life. I'm doing actions. You who's listening to this, watching this video, you doing actions all your life, but none of them seem to be helping out reach to God or like grab God's attention in any way. He also talks about the third eye. So he says, before these two eyes become non-functional and they shut in this lifetime itself, you should be having an opportunity to open the third eye. With the third eye, you basically see God everywhere. That's the magic of the third eye. These two eyes also wither away and you don't have the third eye opened, and then you keep taking births, and in the cycles of birth and death and karma continues. In the end, the conclusion that he says after all the vichar, he gives a beautiful example of a sadhu. I don't remember the technical details because obviously I was working along with it and I was listening to it in the background, but there's a Sikh sadhu who lives in a place in a very low-key profile, right? He doesn't give any signs of, look, I am here. He's just very, very undercover all the time. And then one fine day he speaks. He's always very quiet, but one fine day he speaks and he says that I'm gonna leave tomorrow. Leave as in I'm gonna, give your pran away. Pran tyagna, that's what he's trying to do. Everyone's like, maybe he's gonna commit suicide or something like that, but what he does is he's sitting there and there's fire coming out of his navel, and then that fire vanquishes his body, and then there's beautiful fragrance left after he's gone. And that's a real story which was even covered in newspapers and stuff. So basically the conclusion of this video was, every action that you do should be done with love. As in, one beautiful example Maskeen ji gives is, you can make all the dal and all the sabji in the world, but if you don't put salt in it, it's not gonna work out. You can make all the sweets, all the dalia and everything, but if you don't put sugar in it, it's not gonna work. Every action that you do should be done with love, and love for God, like remembering God and stuff like that. So basically, all in all, beautiful kathas I heard today, and I think that is the reason why today turned out to be an ideal day in a lot of ways. We're at 7:24. So yeah, as I said, I have this one small video to make for the full-time job. That shouldn't take more than 10 minutes or so. What I want to do is make sure that I leave for gym by 8 o'clock max. So after editing this, I have to even buy the course. I'm so excited. I want to just dive into this grease pencil course by CG Boost. But yeah, I'll see if I get time before going to the gym. I'll do that small video and send it. Otherwise, I can do it after coming back from gym, because I don't want to make it 8:30, 8:35 when leaving. It gets super late coming back. I want to be home by 9:30. So yeah, that's it for today's documentation. Thank you so much for being in the khud. An ideal day in the khud. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.